Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily kick or remove a member from your Discord group. So first, let's head over to the Discord app. Next is you just have to find and select the group where you want to kick or remove a member. Next is just click the group name. And from here, you can see the members of the group. You just have to click on the member that you would like to kick or remove from the group. Click this icon, then click Remove from Group. Now, you have successfully removed a member from the Discord group. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can kick and remove a member from the Discord group. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!